Okay, today we're going to be repairing the battery connector on the Hubsan X4 107C. If you're considering purchasing one of these cute little quadcopters, I suggest you be prepared to do repairs, because after about 40 flights, this battery lead is going to wear completely off the board. And so you're going to have to open it up, deal with some small soldering points and some delicate wires to get it repaired, but it's not too bad of a fix. First thing I do is get together a small set of jeweler screwdrivers and something to catch the screws in. Your screws on the Hubsan are located on the underside, on each side of the copter. Here you can see I've taken out the screws and I've broken away the break-free arms. And now the case will come easily apart. However, be careful, because the camera leads will be connecting it. Here you can see the inside of the quad and the camera leads connecting the camera right here in the corner. Here in the right hand corner and the left hand corner, you can see the screws you'll need to remove to lift the motherboard gently from the quad frame. Okay, I have the motor and LED lines gently lifted out of the arms, and you can see the main board is raised from the case, and it's the underside is where the repair actually has to occur. That's what makes the repair so darn difficult. Okay, here you can see directly center frame where I've removed the negative camera wire, and I've taken the battery terminals negative positive off, and I've cleared their slots there with a safety pin and a soldering iron. Okay, here's everything soldered back into place. Here we have the board back in place. The wires are now down in their slots, and everything is set to shut the case. And there you have it, the tail's replaced and it's ready to go.